Kamang. Iya pa. Ana. Ang kahoy magbayan niyo.
Go din.
3 minutes.
Paino asa sila? Ay ano ba? Pili siguro.
Pagandam din sila. 3 minutes.
Ay, Bridget. Ay, ko na.
Naka-video ka. Look. Ito ang mga do. Cheer, go ate, gi. Go ate.
Go.
Go. Ah, come on. Go. Ano? Go.
Natukod. Two minutes.
Lakas man.
Balik.
Katawad dun.
Kunin.
Go din, go.
Ano, sige na. Gaman lang mag-time. Pero pwede makaduwa. Okay? Sige, kasi una. Siguro nan. Dili pwede mo na og gantil. Kinahanglan. Pasakar ang balo.
Good job. Good.
It's light.
Almost there. Go! Yan, bakaon.
Oh my God.
Go.
Yo, ay pag-distract. Yo.
Go, Jikoy. Go. Okay. Oh, dog na.
Don't discourage.
Don't. Go. Stop.
Okay, just drop your knee in the mud.
Zombie.
Left the left.
Okay.
No.
You gonna do that? 30 seconds. Just move. The balloon is moving.
Moving. Go, drop your knee.
Go.
Drop your knee.
Go, yeah, go. Go. Above knee. Above the knee. Below the knee.
You have
Chini.
Go there.
Don't speak this.
Shirt. It's too tight. The other one.
Go.
Other side.
Oh no, almost there. Go.
Sin mo ay sakit.
Oy.
Sabi sa'yo sa mud.
No.
My God.
The wood and bow your head.
Go.
Drop your knee. Don't discourage.
Go. Check up you have to ask the same thing.
Go.
See, chair ninyo. Kaun.
Okay, that's right.
Go.
Cheers.
Go.
You can do that.
Go. Yay!
Drop and
Think about the mud.
Drop your knees to the ground.
nothing. Go.
Nice.
Good.
Go back in the
Go! Oh!
Hey, don't damage my...
Gawas ni mo.
Go, go!
Yeah. Go. Insert my... Go.
Inner core. Inner core.
Go up.
You can go up.
Up, up, up.
Yes, I know what I'm doing, okay?